Hey there, brace yourself for a flavor of explosion with this recipe that I'm going to share with you today. Ready? Here we go. It's called the cup of chicken curry noodles. It's fast and delicious, and I'm sure you will like it. Not only does this recipe taste incredible, but it also works perfectly for meal prep as well. You can make several of these curry noodle dishes in mason jars ahead of time, store them in your fridge, and heat them when you're ready to eat. All right, the recipe. Yeah, so the recipe is found on our website at theotherpainclinic.com, and it's all detailed right there for you. And hopefully you like this recipe. My name is Francois. I'm the Chief Medical Exercise Specialist with the Other Pain Clinic, and I'll see you in the next video.